Shahid Kapoor starred latest Bollywood movie Kabir Singh is running successfully all over the world. And have you noticed the latest poster of Kabir Singh? In today's video, we are going to create such a poster using various Photoshop techniques. We'll be using double exposure, we'll be using layer masking, layer blending, layer clipping masking techniques to do this poster, and we'll be also using some color correction techniques. So before we start the tutorial, we'll have a quick look at the poster. So now this is the time to use the layer transparency mode for these layers. So this is the layer where we actually clipped all these three layers into. Okay, so this is the master layer where we actually clip all these three layers. Okay, now what we can do is say if you want, you can actually reorder this. This should come first. Okay, this is more. Okay, now first I'll give a blending mode for this particular layer, and I'm using linear dot jar, so this will glow like this. Or if you can try different rendering methods, soft light is the overlay is there, or else hard light. So here I'm actually using the hard light, and for this I'm using let me see if the overlay works. Linear dodge, vivid light doesn't work. Color dodge, I think linear dodge is fine here. And for this layer we actually need a little bit of the shirt has to show here. So using the mask again, use the brush and just show this shirt's collar a little. Okay, so see, this image is so blurred, so we have to make this little bit sharpened. See, you can see that this image is so sharpened, so I'm going to sharpen this. So before that I am taking a duplicate of this. Okay, now this particular layer I am applying a filter here, so go to the filter, go to other and apply high pass. So this will actually see upon adjusting the radial, this will actually make the edges of the image more sharp. So we'll be typing it as 3. Okay, so you can see that this image's edges are so sharpened here. Okay, click OK. So now you'll be getting like this, and here we are going to apply a layer transparency, which is vivid light. See, now you can see that this image is sharpened. See, without this it's like this and like this. If you want, you can reduce the amount a little bit to 70 maybe. Okay, so see, compile this. Yeah, we got it like this. Now what we are going to do is we have you can see that here there is this much of areas also greenish, so we are going to do that. For that I'm selecting this layer again and just duplicating this. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm applying another filter here, which is cloud. So before making the cloud effect, which is actually render cloud, okay, so before making the cloud effect, what we can do is we can see, I'm selecting this layer, so I'm going to applying another filter for this layer. Now we are going to apply filter render and clouds. So we'll be getting a cloud here. So this is see, if I'm making it normal, This is the image. Okay, now we have to clip mask this to this layer, so right click here, clipping mask. Okay, we got it like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm playing the mask, so play mask here and just use the brush tool with black here. Another layer transparency mode for here, or hard light. So now we have to do some color correction techniques for this particular poster. So for that I selected this and add new adjustment layer. First I'm using the vibrance, so increase the vibrance maximum, so you'll be getting much color, and saturation, if you want, you can just reduce to -5. Okay, so we got it like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm applying the levels. So in this level you can use the increase contrast method and increase contrast 2, contrast 3. So increase contrast 1 is okay. And now apply again the levels and the curves. Linear curves, linear contrast will be fine. So we got something like this. See, we have applied these 3. If you want more accurate, you can apply so many effects. See, now we actually got the image like this. This is that, and this is this. So we can apply another color lookup image. Okay, so there are so many color lookup techniques that you can apply to this. So fall colors I use it here, so we will get in this. Now we are at the finishing stage of this exercise. We have almost done this, and here actually we need to see on this horizon there is so much of glow here, so we are going to create that. For that we are selecting this layer and duplicating. Once again I duplicated this. Okay, I'm applying a mask, and here I'll be painting using black color. Okay, paint. I don't need these areas to be affected, so I'm just increasing the brush size and just mask this much of area where I don't want this to be affected. Okay, so now see this area there, so I'm switching this to here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I am increasing the sharpness. For that I'm using the sharp tool here and applying the strength and just sharpen this accordingly. Don't too much, just drag and sharpen. Okay, and now see, it was a pin light. Instead of that we'll be using the vivid light. Sorry, instead of that we'll be using the linear dodge here, and you can increase this to 50 or something. If it is okay, then the screen is fine. And we have to add some more color to this, so just select this layer only and apply the image adjustment color balance. Okay, we'll just add green. now we have got the final output of the film poster of Bollywood movie Kabir Singh starring Shahid Kapoor. So this is the final, you can see in full screen. Here we go. So guys, we have used double exposure techniques to create the film poster of Kabir Singh, and we have made exactly like that. Guys, if you want more tutorials on double exposure, please do it in the comment box with yes or no. I will always giving value to your comments. I'll be making videos according to that. So if you guys didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it now. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.